Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check some more application sections. So we have checked the office, we have checked internet, graphics, games, education, development, and accessories. So the pending sections are the system section and the multimedia section. So we will start with the multimedia session today. So the Debian Edu 12 or the SkoleLinux packs a lot of multimedia applications. So applications teach the students how to sing, perform, create music, record the music, and they can even upload the music to the favorite social sites like YouTube or Instagram. So the first application is Audacious. So Audacious, you already know. Audacity also is known by you. Cheese is the selfie taker or the selfie camera snapshots. It is used to take the selfie snapshots using the laptop camera or the any USB camera attached to your system. Xfalso is nothing but the MP3 tag editor. GNU Dynamo, let us try out what is this. Let us see what exactly it is. So select duration. I am not able to get exactly what it is. Okay, so now it has opened up. Yes, so this is nothing but a music note taker. So the music notes can be created here, and those can be saved, the tracks can be saved, and later on we can practice on those tracks. So you can create basically the music notes and then use those notes to play on your favorite music instrument. Then you can record it, and later on you can upload it to the favorite social site, or you can share with your friends. So this is the um, this music note application. So you can create the music notes here. And see, you can create the scores, music scores here. For example, if there is a choir in your school, then you can create music for the choir, background music for the choir, or the support music for the choir, and then you can completely record the choir music separately, the choir separately. Then you can mix those tracks using the Debian multimedia applications. Next application is the GNU Solfege. Let us see what it is. So here the students can learn the different melodic intervals, what are harmonic intervals, what are the sing intervals, what are the chords in the root position, inversion of chords, sing chord, major chords. So it is all nothing but how to read the music notes, how to play according to the music notes in front of you using your favorite instrument. So it is all related to music, choirs and everything. So this can be applied in real time. Students can create a musical play in their schools or in college using all these applications. They can record it, and then they can share with all their schoolmates, family members, and they can also post it on the social media. What is GTIC? Metronome. So let us check out what is GTIC. Visual tick. So this is also some kind of music application. So it is maybe used to create the notes. So different meters are given. So meters are nothing but a measurement of the music. So measurement of music is done just like you can measure the time in seconds, minutes, hours, days and years. You can also measure music. So that is called meter of music. So you can create the meter, you can change the tempo of the music, that is the speed of the music, using this application. Then hydrogen is nothing but the drum beats. So you can create drum beats using this hydrogen drum machine. So it is all synthetic. Actual drums are not there, but you can use this to create the drum beats. So maybe in some later video I will show you more how the drum beats can work, because I also have to try it. I have not tried it earlier. So this is nothing but to create the drum beats synthetically on your laptop or on your workstation. The next item is Lingot. So what is Lingot? Lingot is some kind of recording. So it is nothing but a experimental strobe display among other improvements. So I think it is a sound meter. Yes. If I clap, yes, it is a sound meter, and you can tune it, used to tune your music, tune the sound volume of your music track or the coil, and there is a graphical display at the bottom, so you can get a better understanding of the sound levels. Next item is LLMS, so it is Linux music. We can create the library. So it is a complete Linux audio studio. So here you can do the latency settings, the buffer settings, the frame settings, everything is there. You can sync the VST plugins to host playback. So a lot of things are there. In later, some of the later videos, I will tell you how all these things work, because even I have not tried, because I don't have all those musical instruments to test it for you. If I got some musical instruments which I can attach with my laptop, I can surely show you how it works. At least the basic understanding I can give you. So this is nothing but a sound studio, LLMS. It is a free sound studio. I'll show you. So you can use this to create easy music. What is this? So here you can see. So now what I will do is switch it off, and we will move over to the newer applications. NetED. So this is another application to take the music notes, to create the music notes. You can create your music composition and save the music composition in this notes. This is the track, music track, where you can save it. I'm not that much aware of the Western musical note system. I have studied, I have myself done a diploma in music, but I don't remember now. Nowadays I'm not into that music thing much. Only after many years gap I started doing the video recording. Otherwise I was totally away from this music and audio thing. Payroll media player is there, pulse audio volume control, jack control is there, so you can control the jack from here. So you can connect the jack using a you can say instrument to connect the different jacks. So you can have multi-track, but two people singing, you can have two jacks, and those jacks will again connect to your system, and then you can uh, record the singing of the two singers using the two jacks. All will be connected with your system, so you can do multi-track, single track recording using this jack audio connection. You can stop the singing session using the start and stop button. You can control the session, you can control the patch bay. Yes, that is the equipment that is called patch bay. So you can connect multiple instruments and multiple microphones to it, and you can uh, record the audio from different musical instruments and the vocals. Now I'll close this. Next is QSynth. So it is nothing but a synthesizer. So you can synthesize the reverberations, the chorus, and you can add this chorus and reverberations to any music track. I'm giving you a short and sweet explanation. I'm not going into detail, because myself I am also not that much aware of all how this equipment, all these softwares will work. QLibet is, I think, nothing but the MP3 editor. Yes, so you can add a song list, browsers, playback, library, tags. So you can edit the tags. So it is, I think, some music player also and a tag editor also. So all in one is there, QLibet. Then Rose Garden is there. So what is Rose Garden? It's taking time to open up. Meanwhile, we can open another application, Terminator X. Let us see what is Terminator X. Rose Garden is also opening up. Okay, so Rose Garden is a MIDI sequencer and a musical notation it is. So you can create musical notations, save them, and then also you can do MIDI sequencing using this Rose Garden. So I am not going into much details. Just I am showing you around what is available, what are the different possibilities that exist with the multimedia applications. So it is some kind of pitch, yes. So it is some kind of pitch adjuster. Turntable is there. You can adjust the pitch and the volume control. Then you got timidity MIDI sequencer. So it is also another MIDI sequencer. It might be some more advanced MIDI sequencer than what we have seen earlier, because it is written plus plus. Maybe it has got more advanced features. Then Tux guitar is there. So it is a free guitar. You can create guitar music using this Tux guitar. So here you can see the notes, notations are there. You can create the notations and then it will play according to the notations that you have created here in the canvas. Then the Voco screen is there. So Voco screen I have shown you earlier. Voco screen is nothing but a screen recorder, advanced screen recorder with lot of features. Now I will close this and we will move further. Except burn is nothing to burn your CDs and DVDs, and this all are the, I think the plugins are there. So Zine add sub effects are nothing but the audio plugins that you can use with ALSA, you can use with Jack, and you can use with multi-channel Jack, and this is the open source plugins. So that's it, and with that I will now stop my video here. In the next video we will check out the system tools that are available in the Debian SkoleLinux or the Debian Edu 12 SkoleLinux. So bye bye.